Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crop a video in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and create a new project right here. Now let's say I'm going to use this video. I'm going to hit on add. Now that it's added, let's tap on the video itself. Okay. Now once done, once it's highlighted, go to the bottom and look for transform. Okay. Just tap on transform. Now in here we have three options. Okay. Rotate, mirror, and resize. So just go ahead and tap on resize. Now in here you can go ahead and select which aspect ratio you like. Okay. For example, 4:3 right here. 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, and many other options. Okay. Now, if you're posting it on TikTok, well, the option is a 9:16. Now, if you wanted to crop it in a custom way, just tap on custom. Now go ahead and use these points right here. Drag it, tap and drag. Okay. Like so. Again, use these points. Just like that. Okay. And once you're done, just go ahead and tap the check mark at the top. And here you have your cropped video. Okay. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.